peach cobbler pound cake. Alright, so we're gonna start off with 3 sticks of softened butter. Not melted margarine, but softened butter. And we're gonna cream this for about 4 to 5 minutes on low, medium speed. Alright, throughout this recipe, make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl with a rubber spatula and get the bottoms to make sure all of your ingredients are incorporated well. So my butter has been creaming for about 4 minutes now. And I'm going to gradually add 1 and 1/2 cup of white sugar. After I added my 1.5 cups of white sugar, I'm going to add 3 large room temperature eggs. Make sure they're room temperature. This recipe in particular calls for 5 whole large eggs. We're going to add the other 2 later. Make sure you scrape those sides and the bottom. I'm going to fold mine in, make sure it get mixed well. Alright, the reason why I added 1.5 cups of white sugar earlier, because I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. We don't want it too sweet, so 1 and 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1 and 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk equals to 3 cups of sugar. We're going to add a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. I know I said pure. I'm a cat, goddammit. That's the best way I can say it. And we're going to let that mix on a medium speed. Alright, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I usually do evaporated milk, but I wanted this cake to be extra moist, so I added 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, I have some Swanson cake flour. I usually do all-purpose flour, but this time I want to use cake flour. So we're going to add 2 cups of cake flour. If you're using all-purpose flour, you're going to use 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And there we go. There's our other 2 eggs. And we're going to let this mix well.
Oh.